Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and this little guy is one of my must-have accessories.
No, it's not glamorous, but it is a necessity. This is my ear and nose hair trimmer by ZORAMI, and I am really, really pleased with how easy this is to use. It honestly is a go-to beauty tool for me now. It's super compact. I have traveled with it, so love that it is small enough to do so. And it is extremely powerful, but also the blades are protected, so I don't hurt myself, which I really appreciate. Very easy to change out the battery once you need to, and just overall so simple to use. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what this sounds like when it's running. So again, pretty powerful, but pretty quiet. It gets the job done. So easy to use. Very simply, you can take that head off and then look how much hair that has collected. This thing really and truly works. And you can just go ahead and clean that off, let it dry out, and then it just snaps right back into place so that you're ready to use it again. I really love this and it is so simple.
But that's just my point of view.